Welcome to Rifa Stock Market. Today we will talk about how to avoid being eaten up by Wall Street. It is very easy to be consumed by Wall Street if you do not follow these 3 steps. Please do me a favor. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment. Thank you. Now, how to avoid being beaten up or consumed by Wall Street? First, be energetic and inspirational. Are you worried about being consumed by Wall Street? You're not alone. In today's volatile financial landscape, it's crucial to take steps to protect yourself. In this video, we'll explore 3 essential strategies to safeguard your financial future. The first step is to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. This diversification helps mitigate risks and ensures that your portfolio isn't overly exposed to the fluctuations of any single market. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Take the time to educate yourself about investing, personal finance, and the workings of Wall Street. Read books, watch videos, and follow reputable financial news sources. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid falling prey to Wall Street's traps. Lastly, have a long-term financial plan. Set clear goals for your investments and outline a strategy to achieve them. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education, having a plan in place will help you stay focused and disciplined even during turbulent times. And remember, stick to your plan, even when Wall Street's ups and downs tempt you to stray. By diversifying your investments, educating yourself, and having a long-term plan, you can protect yourself from being consumed by Wall Street. Take control of your financial future today and build a solid foundation for tomorrow. Now I am giving you some bonus tips. How do people make money on Wall Street? Many different types of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and foreign currency, are traded in financial markets. Your earnings from owning an asset depend on the type of asset. If you own a stock, then you are paid dividends and also receive a capital gain or incur a capital loss from selling the asset. Subscribe for more financial tips. Watch next. How to spot and avoid investment scams. Connect with us on social media.